You must have heard the name of Rabia. She was an amazing devotee of Divine Father of Higher. She was always dissolved in the love of the Higher. One time it happened, one evening, she was searching of something outside her home. Many people crossing by, they saw that Rabia, the old lady, is finding something. So they thought that let's help this old woman. And she is also a spiritual person, so we must help her. They went to Rabia and asked her, "What are you looking for?" Rabia said that I am looking for my needle, a little needle. So they all started finding the needle. But 2 hours, 4 hours passed by. They didn't find the needle. Then they asked Rabia that, "Oh Rabia, please tell us that where did you see the needle last time? Where you lost it?" The Rabia said, "I lost the needle inside my home." All the people were shocked and they said to Rabia that, "Rabia, we already know that you are crazy woman, but today only we have seen that you are really crazy. If you lost the needle inside your home, then why you are finding the needle outside the home? You are wasting your own time and you have wasted our time also." And Rabia started laughing. The people asked, "Why are you laughing?" Rabia said, "You are laughing on me and I am laughing on you, because you are telling me that if needle is inside, why I am finding it outside, right? The same thing I am teaching you. The same thing the higher, the God, the Almighty, the Mother Nature is teaching us, that happiness, fulfillment, joy, ecstasy is not outside, it is within us. Do you know? Don't think that the police or the doctors or the government is telling us to do the lockdown. No, it is the plan of the universe. It is the plan of the higher. That's why the whole earth is locked down at one time. Never before this happened. This is first time in history. Mass awakening, grand awakening is happening. Do you know how lucky we are? So it's the time to be little conscious. तभी वो कहते हैं ना कि आंख कान मुंह ढांप के नाम निरंजन ले, भीतर के पट तब खुले जब बाहर के पट दे. So it's the time to close our eyes, to close our ears, to close our mouth, to close all the five senses. Let's shut ourselves down, shut all the senses. It's the time to quarantine with the divine. If you do quarantine with the divine, you will feel that you are divine yourself. You will know who you are and why you are here on this planet Earth. If you do little bit sadhana and meditation with yourself, then you will know that you are light, you are love, you are life, you are power, you are pure, and you are peace. This is the most golden time. The higher is blessing us with so much of support. So it's the time to be little conscious, little aware. We are so blessed that Shri Paramhans Dayalji is guiding us and is taking us to a new world, to a golden age, where in every breath you will feel love, ecstasy, and joy. So it is the time to be alone, to be quarantined with the divine, and to feel the amazing, amazing love of the higher, which is dripping 24 hours. Love, love, and blessings to all from Shri Paramhans Dayalji.